Hi, I'm going to show you the Whiteboard tool in Zoom. The Whiteboard is a tool that can be used by participants in the meeting as well as the host. To initiate the Whiteboard, you go to Share Screen, you select Whiteboard, and then press Share. A toolbar will appear, and you can see in the options here that you can disable participants' annotations, or you can hide the name of annotators. When you have a tool selected, you can, write on it, write on the whiteboard, and you can change the color to green. You can change the width of the line if you want to, or you can go to a different tool. And in this case, I want to use the check mark. And I would create check marks. And then I'm going to go up to the star stamp. And you can also use question marks. And try, okay. Now, the text tool allows you to write different text in different colors. You click outside of the box, and you can go to the eraser tool if you wanted to erase something. You can use the select tool to select certain parts of the annotation, and you can move them to another location on the board. You can use the arrow tool, which simply puts an arrow with your name next to something, so that if you want to point out something in a presentation on the Zoom board, it'll have your name there, and it will tell the host who it is that is pointing out something on the board. You can undo, and you can redo, and you can clear. Now you can clear all of the drawings on the board, or you can clear only your drawings, or you can clear the viewer's drawings. You can also save your whiteboard, so that if you want to keep a file of things you've written on the whiteboard for your students to review, you can do that. It will save a file to your hard drive on the computer. If you, by accident, hit the X button and cannot retrieve your toolbar, you simply stop share, and you initiate the share again, go to Whiteboard, press Share, and your work has been saved. You don't lose your work if you close the share, if you close the whiteboard. The only time you lose your work is when you stop the meeting. So that sums up Zoom Whiteboard. Thanks for watching.